on my phone.
Oh yeah.
You guys don't want to play with your phones.
You already know what's up, guys. Young and the Reckless over here. Mommy Reckless, Dean Reckless, up in the kitchen. But this is what the video's all about. Look at this. What is going on here?
You gotta put bacon. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are seeing it right.
That's the top. First, make sure all these ones are all.
Yeah.
Ice cube trays.
Just hold on, Dean, because I'm gonna have to make sure they're all stuffed evenly.
Bacon. We got ground beef with chopped up vegetables and onions going into the bacon on the trays. Then going to be topped with mozzarella cheese. Yeah, Mommy Reckless is going to town tonight. Like, I never saw this ever before.
I saw it on the internet.
I never ate this before, never saw it before. I'm instantly hungry.
Stop telling everybody to shut up, right?
And of course, bang! This was going on over here.
Of course, those ones are yelling at
Maybe
everybody.
Bright is getting me angry, saying shut up, shut up, shut up, and I'm trying to play.
Right.
Hey, baby.
That's not meant. Okay, guys. No snatching the phone Sunday. You don't want to drop. You're recording me while I'm recording you? You recording me recording you? Well, I'm recording you recording me.
And I just took a picture of you, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
Oh, farts.
Baby.
Oh, farts. What?
Go away.
Ah.
Meow.
Sunday.
Okay, fight. Hey, baby.
Funny guy. Sunday, stop burping.
Mommy,
Hi, honey. Go watch out though because your phone's.
And here's the potatoes.
Mommy,
Potatoes on the stove. Oh yeah.
Cooking with the Reckless family.
That's it. This is the Reckless dinner. Bright already knows.
She's making ground beef.
Bright, you recording, Mommy? Let me see you record.
And here's
Record, Mommy.
Here's Daddy recording me and everything. And he's
Here, Bright, record Mommy's cooking again, and I'm gonna record your phone recording Mommy.
You're so funny.
Let me see this.
And yeah.
Look at that. How cool is that?
Mommy is still making food.
Still making food.
Gosh, and there's some food here.
Bright's vlogging.
There's some food.
Bright's vlogging.
Don't touch. Raw meat, my love. Don't touch.
And there's Sunday playing with the
Now you
Bobby.
just gotta close
There's
this
probably
on
some
lane.
weird people out there that legit eat raw
You're
meat.
gonna call
Now we need some more bacon.
Oh yeah.
Red.
We almost forgot the ground beef in the car, and we made a joke about it. They said the crackheads are probably gonna break into the car and they'll eat it raw.
I told you not to mention that while I'm cooking and stuff. Now
Oops.
you're all like,
Sorry.
I'm gonna go grossed out by raw meat being eaten
Yeah,
by-
guys, not to be rude or ignorant towards crackheads, sorry, but we live downtown, and you know what? They break into our car every night and leave crap all over the place, and
It's not in our car. That sounds so wrong.
That's
It's not in our car.
I don't even lock the car anymore, because you know what I mean. If I lock the car, they'll definitely break my windows for 25 cents.
Yeah, they will.
So it's cheaper for me just to leave my car door
Y'all can
unlocked.
check out the other video we have on this channel of the
Where do you want to
Gone
put this?
Wild.
Look at the cheese.
Can I do this one?
Ooh, fluffy,
Okay, Dad. I'm showing.
fluffy. Well,
And
hello,
then you can do it in a
Fluffy.
second. Don't.
Well, hello, Fluffy.
Don't do it.
Oh, there it is. Look at that. Being top it right now.
Yeah, well.
Top that bacon. Top that bacon with cheese. You're such a good cheese topper.
Oh my God. Stop it. Just stop. This is why you shouldn't record.
Get another view of this. Ding, 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 ding,
Yeah,
ding,
sure.
ding,
Get a
ding.
view of the dirty countertop. I'm just kidding.
Oh, come on.
That's all
We've
looks nice.
been cooking on. Dean did a good job today cleaning
Yeah, you
out
did,
the
Dean. Thank
counters.
you very much, my love. I
Good
appreciate
job,
it
Dino.
So much.
Mhm.
That's sweet of you.
Potatoes should be done soon too, Steph. Is Blake in the room? What the hell's it? Dean, hold this for a second.
Okay.
Hold this. See if Blake's good.
I capture it.
Dad, again with the friggin' muffler.
The man wearing an apron like that. The chef.
Don't say friggin' to the chef, dude.
Ever.
Here's Dean.
Hey, Blake.
Ever. Dinner's gonna be ready soon too, so get ready.
And here's Blake.
Look at his hair.
Yeah.
Blake.
Do something with that. You'll pick him upside down and use him as a mop.
You can.
Stupid.
Come on, come on. Break's doing his vlogging issue. Oh god. Okay.
Sunday again. Doing some
We'll have to add that to Greg's channel.
Hmm?
We'll have to add that to Greg's channel.
Yeah.
His video, I mean.
Look at that cheese.
Okay. Go for
Cooking in the Reckless family. This is what it'd be like. Tray of
I'm
bacon.
being lazy with it because the bacon's not strippy, and I'm totally pissed about that.
Alright. So, guys, we're gonna get ready for dinner soon. Put this bad meal,
Yep.
bad-ass meal
Hey, babe, can you please give me a tray?
in the oven, and
Okay,
hey Steph, we're gonna do some vlogging about this when it comes out of the oven, or what? Or we're just gonna eat it?
We'll just eat it.
Just
If
eat
you
it.
push pause
Just eat
on
it.
that video, I'm pretty sure you can pick up where you left off.
Oh yeah, you can.
And this is it. Just before it goes in the oven. This is how it looks. All prepared.
Where did you put my phone?
Your last bit of bacon, fold it over the cheese and the ground beef. Looks great. Good job, Mommy.
I'm excited.
Okay, so take a look at this. We'll take a look at this again when it comes out.
Pause it again.